Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you upload close hole concert C flute. This is the flute instrument with 16 keys, offset G, smooth cupronickel keys, airtight pads. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside the box. Let's see what we have. We have nice gloss. This is awesome. It's like carbon fiber texture. Here is the user manual. It talks about how you're gonna do the maintenance and troubleshooting and how you're gonna store it. Let's check them out one by one. We have 3 parts so far. Also this. Here is our cleaning cloth. This is also very smooth. If you want to clean it up, basically we're just gonna put this right here. And then you can clean it up like that. Let's go ahead and assemble. Take this area and you're just gonna take the red ones here, because during the shipping time we don't want it to be damaged. That's why. Now it's free from the red ones. And let's put it right over there. And then let's take this out. And we'll put this one over here. Now we complete it. Let me show you how you're gonna clean it. This is the cleaning tool. We're just gonna put this edge into this hole, and then just turn it to the right. We're just wrapping the stick. Then we're just gonna put it inside and clean it. Next step is, this is the stand. Let me show you how you're gonna use it. And put this back. We're just gonna put this inside, and it's gonna stand still like that. This is how it's gonna be with the stand. We're gonna go ahead and test. Let's check it out if it's working well or not. If you're having a hard time putting the joints together, here we have, this is the grease for the joints. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because this is handmade. It has 16 keys. It has a great stand. As you see, it is staying like that, very stable and very stylish. You have the cleaning cloth, and we have the carbon fiber texture case. You see, it is very smooth opening. You see the handles over there. It is from here to here. That's 23.86 inches. It has cupronickel body. You see, this is very durable. Most importantly, it is very stylish.